Mauritius is situated in the Indian Ocean. It is about 900 kilometers from Madagascar. We always say like a star in the middle of the ocean. I am Anderson, I'm 29 years old, and I am a tour guide. Mauritius is very well known for the beach. The coastal line is more than 177 kilometers long. Behind me, you have the most iconic sites of the island. It is known as Le Mont Brabant. It is a World Heritage Site. Tourism is very important now. We have some luxury hotels like the Four Seasons. You have more than 100 hotels here, and we have all a special touch. A long time ago, we were focusing only on the beach. Now it is very diversified, so we have lots of activities. There were no one on the island when the island was discovered, and everyone came from a different continent at the same time. It is a very melting pot culture. We don't have a place where you have only one kind of religion. Highlights in Port Louis, you have the harbour front. It is very cozy. It is where you have all the restaurants and you have cinemas. People come here just to enjoy and relax. You have a main market, a very colorful market, and it is where all the locals will come to buy things for the house. The locals are friendly and they are not afraid to interact, and they are communicative. So we come to you, communicate. Pamplemousse Botanic Garden was built by a French botanist. He wanted to grow spices in this region. As he saw that the spices were adapted with the climate, he decided to take plants from various parts of the world to make like a museum. This is Romerie de Chamarel. It is a rum distillery. For Mauritius, we can see that rum has a historical part because long time ago, during the slavery trade, many slaves were preparing the rum just for relaxing. Still now, you can see the rum everywhere. The main product that you need is the sugarcane. And from the sugarcane, we'll have to extract the juice so that we can process it to make the rum. Although the island is very small, if you just travel from one region to the other, you will see it is very different. My favorite spot are mostly in the south. You have like Chamarel and the Great Republic Beach. The south have kept its beauty. It is where you will see the real nature. You are in a different place. We have a volcanic crater on the central plateau, and at first they wanted to remove the forest to cultivate sugarcane, and then we discovered this amazing colored earth, and we decided to keep it natural. It's very nice to be on an island, far away from the busy area. Here it is very at ease, you feel very relaxed. For me, Mauritius, it's the world in one place. You feel that you're on a continent, not really you're on an island. So I will stay in Mauritius forever, so I will never leave Mauritius.